Hello Internet World, welcome to my review of the Quntis LED Monitor Light for PC with remote control. Now this was very kindly sent in to me free of charge by the manufacturer. No money's changed hands, they haven't asked me to say anything in particular. I'm simply sharing this video with you so you can make an informed buying decision. Now this is a LED monitor light. It says for PC, but it's basically for a monitor. It's not sort of platform specific. We've got a wireless remote. We've also got manual stepless dimming, so you can dim the light brighter or dimmer. Asymmetric light source as well. And also the lamp length is 51 centimeters or 1.7 feet. It says premium quality in the corner here on the box. Nice packaging. If we turn this over, you can actually just see some sort of examples of how you can install it. It will work with curved screens. I found that it works absolutely fine with my flat screen. I think with the curved screen you might just have to adjust it slightly differently, but it still does work. This is some of the specifications just here. It's nice and lightweight as well. It's very well made in fact, and what you're seeing here is the box contents. We've got the main LED light, which I'll show you in a bit more detail very shortly. This is the remote control. We also get a cable. We get some extra brackets. I didn't use these, but you might need to use these depending upon which monitor you're installing it on. We also get some batteries for the remote control. We get some instructions or a user manual, and also some information about the other products that the brand make. In fact, let's have a little quick look in here, because they do make some very interesting products. So it's mainly screen monitors, or screen lamps I should say. So we've got RGB ones, we've got a Lux Glow version, different lengths of course. They do some really nice stuff. Oh, they even do a dual one here. That looks really nice. I'd love to have a look at that. 78 centimeters in length. Really like to have a look at that one. But yeah, there's lots of different sort of work lights, either that can go above a monitor, or this example here, a desk work lamp as well. Somebody's got it above their piano. So they're really useful, because if you install these above your monitor, you'd think that it would sort of wash out the screen, but in fact, because of the type of light it's using and because of the position, it just sort of lights up the work area below your monitor, sort of where your keyboard would be. And I found this to be very useful, especially when working late at night. So really useful for those sort of use case scenarios. So before we plug this in, we've obviously got a cable here, USB-A, which goes into your power source, and then USB-C, which goes into the sort of back edge of the lamp here. You can see it just on the back edge. That's where you're going to plug in your USB. And then this is the remote, and it's a wireless, so you don't have to have it wired obviously into the lamp. We've got a button on the top. It feels a little bit strange, but it works absolutely fine, but it does feel sort of strange. And this allows you to control the lamp. So you've got a little button, and then you can turn this to dim the lamp as well. So that's really nice that we get that included. I think we really need to just sort of plug this in so you get to see it actually working. So we're just going to plug the cable into the back here, and then plug it into a power source, so that you can see this actually up and running. Now, just to let you know that this is a really neat way of putting it on the back of your monitor as well. So this is quite a hefty weight, this piece here. And we've got a rubber piece at the front, and then we've also got rubber pieces here just underneath here as well. So this is going to sit on top of your monitor. At the back of the monitor, you can see an example of it on top of my monitor now. And we got various sensors in here. And then we've also, of course, got the remote control that we can use to dim this. The actual light is very, very good indeed. Really nice, evenly lit across the whole length of the unit. And if I just hold this out of shot, it really does light up the area underneath. Let me just show you this just here. It really does light up very, very nicely. And it's quite a heavy lamp, but most monitors will handle this fine. It didn't adjust the height of my monitor when I placed it on top, and it just worked extremely well. It does a really good job of lighting up what is on your desk. I think Quntis have done a fantastic job with this. It's nice and sleek, nice and elegant, really good that you can control it with the remote control. I think it's just a really nice option for like this bar type LED monitor lamp. I think they've done a fantastic job and I can highly recommend it. If you want to purchase one of these for yourself, please do check out the links down in the video description area. And if you enjoyed my video, please do hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in another video very, very soon.